Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. And yes, I do have a flying pig on my head today. So what are we talking about today? Today we're talking about farm animals. It's a question we get a lot across the country, especially the Midwest. You know, what some people may consider business inventory, many people across the Midwest who have farms may consider their farm animals. So what we're talking about today is, are your farm animals covered as business inventory on a flood insurance policy, particularly a commercial flood insurance policy? You see, generally, farm animals are not going to be covered as business inventory on a policy if they were to be destroyed by a flood. Of course, one reason is because it's a living thing. But you want to pay attention to the exclusions on your flood insurance policy, because many times your farm buildings may not even be covered. And the reason is, if you pay close attention, it says buildings are excluded that may be used for farming purposes. So it's important to understand this. It's important to understand how coverage works when it comes to your farm animals. Now, is this to say that no flood insurance policy will cover a farm animal? Not necessarily. You know, it depends if they follow the National Flood Insurance Program rules, if they write their own rules in their contracts. These are all things you want to pay attention to when setting up a flood insurance policy, because you want to know that your farm is covered and you want to know that your farm animals are covered. So if you've got questions about whether your farm animals are part of business inventory on your flood insurance policy, then make sure to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation. This means we can help you understand flood risks like this right here, your flood insurance, and that you don't depend on pigs flying to make sure that you have flood coverage. Thank you.